Do you know that distracted driving is estimated to be a factor in 25% to 50% of all traffic crashes? Driving safely is not only beneficial to the driver but also to all other road users. Safety is something that drivers should keep in mind at all times. After all, when you are operating a motorized vehicle, you have a responsibility to do your part to keep the roadways safe for yourself, other drivers, passengers, and others who may be affected by traffic accidents. Here are the safety measures that motorists should practice for road safety. Number 1. Do not drink and drive. It's essential to avoid operating a vehicle if you have been drinking, taking certain types of prescription or non-prescription drugs, or are otherwise impaired. Number 2. Obey the speed limit. When driving, it's important to stick to the posted speed limit at all times. The restrictions placed on vehicle speed are not established arbitrarily. Rather, they are carefully selected to maximize safety for drivers and for individuals in the homes, businesses, and other organizations in the areas where roadways are located. Number 3. Do not use cell phones when driving. It is illegal and extremely dangerous. It is never acceptable to send text messages when operating a motor vehicle. Number 4. Ensure the vehicle is in a roadworthy condition. It is the legal responsibility of the driver of a vehicle to ensure it is roadworthy before using them. With the right processes, systems, and records in place, you can reduce the chances of driving an unroadworthy vehicle. Number 5. Do simple vehicle maintenance and pre-trip inspections. A simple pre-trip inspection can help save trouble down the road. Number 6. Set all devices, mirrors, and controls prior to driving. Number 7. Ensure all vehicle occupants wear a seatbelt. Wearing your seatbelt is an essential safety tip for drivers. Not only are you more likely to get injured in an accident if you aren't wearing a seatbelt, you can also be fined for failing to do so. Number 8. Maintain a safe following distance. Obey the 2-second rule. The 2-second rule is a rule of thumb by which a driver may maintain a safe trailing distance at any speed. The rule is that a driver should ideally stay at least 2 seconds behind any vehicle that is directly in front of his or her vehicle. Number 9. Allow yourself to take short breaks when driving long distances. As a general rule, it's best to take a break of at least 15 minutes every 2 hours and to not drive for more than 8 hours in a day to ensure you stay alert and avoid the associated risks of driving for too long without a rest. Number 10. Stay alert. Actively pay attention to your actions and those of the drivers around you when you are driving. Number 11. Use turn signals. While you can't depend on others always signaling their intentions when driving, you can certainly control whether or not they have realistic expectations for your actions. Always use your turn signals in advance of making a lane change or turning. Number 12. Follow traffic signals. Pay close attention to and obey stop signs and traffic lights. Number 13. Make adjustments for weather. When the weather is less than perfect, such as rainy, snowy, or foggy conditions, use extra precautions when driving and follow guidelines for staying safe in the particular situation you are facing. Number 14. Exercise patience. Many accidents are caused by impatient drivers who are rushing to get from point A to point B. While time is certainly a valid consideration when traveling, safety is more important. After all, if you are involved in an accident, you'll certainly experience more of a challenge arriving at your destination on time than if you simply exhibit patience while driving. Number 15. Use headlights when needed. Headlights aren't just necessary at night. When you are driving in the rain or fog, turning on your headlights can play an important role in keeping you and those around you safe on the road. And number 16. Plan your journey well in advance. Plan your travel route ahead of time so that you aren't struggling to figure out where to go while you are operating a motorized vehicle. The aforementioned safety measures need to be practiced by every motorist. If everyone would follow them, a huge number of road accidents could have been prevented. These automobile tips are great and should be read and implemented by everyone who drives on highways. Be safe.